Is this the long-awaited Meizu 22, just for the white panel, the missed small size, the missed ultrasonic? This is the beauty unique to Meizu. From the initial summer simplicity to the second delay of the Imaging King, luckily third time's the charm, and the rollercoaster Meizu 22 is finally here. Is this one of the only two Meizu whites? Isn't this the 8S Array 4? Love knows no bounds. Looking at it this way, the size is still a bit small, isn't it? Isn't this a certain 14? Or is it a certain 15? 80 watt Type-C port, 1 nanometer, good reviews. Hello. Giving a clear case to this flagship phone, putting it in the second half of 2025 seems a bit unreasonable, doesn't it? This phone's design is a bit strange. First, you need to. It is linked to this specific lens, and consequently, we reveal the display screen. Wow, the Meizu 22 has a unique appearance that you only truly appreciate when you have it in your hands. And it does have some differences compared to competitors. Alright, let's move forward and proceed to open it up. Meizu's highly anticipated ultrasonic functionality requires you to move your finger in a circular motion, press down, and gradually draw a circle within the designated recognition area. Oh, he said there's no need to lift your finger, and that red button is the AI key. Let's take a look at the settings for 401. You can click to set it as the AC assistant or other options. This function is similar to the previous Meizu Note 16, and you can also choose by long pressing. The new color scheme keeps the classic Meizu white vibe, but differs from the Meizu 21 series. First, the size. It's 6.3 inches, 71mm wide, weighs 190 grams, and is 8.15mm thick. The grip feels better than the 6.55-inch Meizu 21. The aspect ratio changed from 19.59 to 20.9, removing the wide feel. With a balanced 50-50 ratio and a 3D back cover, the bare machine feel is almost perfect to me. The metal band's design is exquisite, with a glass layer on top making the lens look like it's floating. It lacks a black finish, so it doesn't easily show fingerprints, which feels nice. The AC halo effect remains. The screen is a 6.3-inch Huaxing C9 with 1.5 182Hz LTPO, a powerhouse camera with 800 nits, achieving hardware and full GT dimming at 0.8mm, making the white panel unique. This beauty is exclusive to Meizu. This generation's M-back is completely gone. The original heavy press feature is gone. A tap is now for going back, and a long press brings up AZ. You can't press hard to return to the home screen, which leads to another issue. On the lock screen, we used to open the flashlight with pressure feedback, allowing you to turn it on directly, but now it's all changed to a long press. However, this long press on FlyMyOS 2 is very difficult to use. Many times when you try to launch the camera, it just doesn't come up, and when you place your hand on it, there's a serious issue with accidental touches. Meizu 21 Pro's big promotion is gone, maybe because of Qualcomm.
Go. Hi.
All right then.
What?
Hey, how are you?
I am not sure. Yosha Miswasha.
Bro.
Greetings.
The woman who takes leaps is a sadistic individual.